teach you how to draw a cute little tree. Let's start by drawing two lines like this. Curve the lines like this at the bottom. Doesn't need to be straight. Okay, now watch carefully. Just draw some semicircles like this. Can be of any size, small and big. And you need to draw them in a circular shape. Almost circular. Draw many semicircles, small and big. Okay, now we'll draw two eyes for this tree. You need to draw them only if you like. Color this black. Draw a cute mouth. Now we'll draw a branch just like a hand for the tree. Okay. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.